Hello everyone, welcome to all in the Om Digital coaching classes. I hope you all well. Today again we are going on the topic which is still the subject of the confusion, which is what to study and what to not. So in this section we are going to study the revised syllabus of class 11th CBSE for the session 2020 and 21. This is for the subject English. Actually I have not mentioned it, that's why I am clearing you in the video, and in the title you will find it. So let us discuss. The syllabus has been divided under 4 title, you can say the hornbill, snapshot, writing skill and the grammar. Actually I have just told you as the topic, but the part, this is the literature part, and in class 11th there are 2 books prescribed. The first one is hornbill, and the second is snapshot. Okay, in writing skill, grammar and writing skill, if you just separate, you can find there are some chapters in writing skills and some chapters in grammar which have been deleted. So let's just watch it carefully, student. In the first book of your literature, hornbill, there are 2 chapters which have been deleted, and the first one is father to son and the second is the adventure. So only 2 topics, only 2 chapters which have been deleted from the book hornbill, father to son and the adventure. Now let's come on the second book, snapshot, class 11th students. The second book, snapshot, in which also 2 chapters have been deleted. The first one is the ghat of the only world, and the second, the tale of Melon city. Now the next section, writing skill. In writing skill, these topics have been deleted. First, classified advertisements. So the questions which used to come in class 11th, that write an advertisement if you want to sell your anything, the product, design an advertisement, write some sentences about that. So these kinds of the question will not appear in your question paper for the session 2020 and 21. The second topics which had been deleted is letters to the editors. Letters to the editors, it means if you have any problem regarding your society, the social problems or any kind of the thing that used to come in your question paper to write to the editor of this or the national question newspaper, so this will not come in the next or the present session. Next is application for job. ये भी डिलीट किया गया है, like the biodata writing and the resume. This will not be, this has not been included in the present syllabus. The second, article and report writing, which was the most important part of the writing skill, but students, this year article and report writing both have been deleted. I don't want to say you need not to study, of course you should study, but the question will not appear in your question paper from these topics. And the last is the narrative, the discussion part in a passage which you will have to complete, because there are some words and the lines are missing, and on the base of your common sense, on the rules and the regulation, what can be in that part, you needed to feel it. This year it will not appear in your question paper. So the last point, the grammar. In grammar you can see these topics have been deleted. The first one is the models. You need not to study. It doesn't mean that you should not watch it or not, but questions will not appear. The second, classes, adverb class, noun class, adjective class. which were in the syllabus for the last year and the last years, it will not appear again same. Change of voice means the active and passive, okay, and the error correction will also not be just in has not been included in this year. Editing task, edit what is the mistake in that, 3 points रहते थे, A B कौन सा करेक्ट है कौन सा इनकरेक्ट है, दोनों को आपको लिखना होता था। और क्लोज पैसेजेस जो आते थे वो भी इस बार के सिलेबस में नहीं रखे गए हैं। ये जो भी रिवाइज सिलेबस ऑफ क्लास 11th विच आई हैव प्रेजेंटेड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू थ्रू दिस वीडियो, you can check it on your cbsc.nic.in revised syllabus of subject English for the session 2020 and 21. So students, I'm damn sure that you may have all understood it. So okay, इस बात को आप समझिएगा कि जो भी सिलेबस आपको बताया गया है आपको पूरी तरीके से समझ में आ गया होगा। हम लोग पूरा प्रयास करेंगे कि आपका एक एक पॉइंट क्लियर हो अपने इस ऑनलाइन क्लास के माध्यम से। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आप इस वीडियो को अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो बिल्कुल शेयर करिए, इसको सब्सक्राइब करिए, और सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि अपनी सुझाव जो आप मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, हमारी कोचिंग से एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप क्या देखना चाहते हैं वीडियो में, किस तरीके के चैप्टर्स, कौन से लैंग्वेजेस में, और उस सारी चीज़ों को चूँकि हम कम्युनिकेट डायरेक्टली नहीं कर पाते हैं तो प्रॉपरली ये मान के चलिए कि आप उसको कमेंट्स में ज़रूर लिखें। ठीक है, आपका कोई भी जो सुझाव होगा, आपकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, प्लीज़ शेयर इट थ्रू द कमेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।